Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Through this Maritime India Summit, I want to invite the world to come to India and be a part of our growth trajectory. India is very sincere about growing in the maritime sector and emerging as a leading blue economy of the world. Our leading focus area includes upgrade current infrastructure, create next generation infrastructure, boost the reform journey. Through these steps, we aim to give strength to our vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The key objective of this initiative is to enhance development of the existing lighthouses and its surrounding areas into unique maritime tourism landmarks. Steps are also being taken to introduce urban water transport system in key states and cities such as Kochi, Mumbai, Gujarat, and Goa. Friends, like all other sectors, we are ensuring that work relating to maritime does not happen in silos. We recently made the ambit wider by renaming Ministry of Shipping and Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. The ministry will strive for excellence in maritime shipping and navigation, education and training for the mercantile marine, shipbuilding and ship repair industry, ship breakings, fishing vessels industry and floating craft industry. Friends, the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways has created a list of 400 investable projects. These projects have an investment potential of $31 billion or rupees 2.25 lakh crores. This will further strengthen our commitment of overall development of our maritime sector. India's long coastline awaits you. India's hard-working people await you. Invest in our ports. Invest in our people. Let India be your preferred trade destination. Let India ports be your port of call for trade and commerce. My best wishes to the summit. May the discussions be extensive and productive. Thank you very much.